यो क्वेसन क्लास 10 भेक्टरबाट लिएको यहाँ क्वेसन हेर्न सकिन्छ इफ a इज इक्वल टू -6 5 एन्ड b इज इक्वल टू k 1 आर परपेंडिकुलर टू इच अदर यो दुईटा चाहिँ परपेंडिकुलर छ देन वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू of k so let's take a start here a is equal to -6 5 we can write in the form of coordinate so -6 5 similarly vector b is equal to कति छ k plus 1 यो column vector मा छ we can write in the form of coordinate so we can write k plus 1 अब according to question के छ they are perpendicular a र b के छ perpendicular छ भने scalar product के हुन्छ 0 हुन्छ if any vector are perpendicular each other then their scalar product is 0 so we can write here if a vector and b vector are perpendicular each other or to each other then a vector dot b vector is equal to 0 if any two vectors are perpendicular each other then their scalar product always equal to 0 now a vector कति छ -6 5 and b vector is equal to k plus 1 is equal to 0 अब scalar product को फर्मुला के छ x1 x2 प्लस y1 y2 x1 x2 भनेको यो दुईटा y1 y2 भनेको यो दुईटा अब यो मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने -6 into k plus 5 into or k plus 1 is equal to 0 now let's multiply -6k plus 5 into k 5k plus 5 into 1 5 is equal to 0 यो दुईटा like term so we can subtract -6k plus 5k is equal to के हुन्छ -k plus 5 is equal to 0 -k is equal to -5 minus cancel therefore k is equal to 5 हामीले के फाइन्ड आउट गर्नुपर्ने find the value of k and we got here the value of k is equal to 5 so if you understand please hit the like button and new हुनुहुन्छ भने please subscribe गर्नु होला